Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I've got this really interesting vehicle here in front of me. Retro colour scheme from 108,000. I suspect it's going to be a fair bit more by the time you get one. Joyrider.travel. This is a Fiat Ducato. It's 636 centimeters long. You've never seen this layout before. So let's have a look inside. So long couch at the front, open lounge. Look at all this space that it's giving, and the lighting, and got amazingly long kitchen through the side of the vehicle with storage below. On the right we've got a fridge, we've got storage, and what could this be at the very end? Well, let's open it up and find out. We've got a Klesana toilet. You can see that in another video how the toilet actually works, because I have actually filmed it. And you've got a shower unit in here with a huge amount of space. So the thing is, the space is also shared with the kitchen. So there's your shower, but if you want to, you put the door back like this. It attaches via the magnet. Put this back like that. You're standing on the duct board when you're at the sink here. So the duct board, obviously, you take it out when you have a shower. Somebody asked this question on Facebook the other day, what do you do with the duct board? Well, I think you're supposed to take it out. Might be wrong, might have been doing it wrong all these years. I think you're supposed to take it out. Here, we've got a really deep domestic style sink. You can actually do your washing up in that. And you've got a proper a filter there as well. We've got all of this space for preparation. This is an electric induction hob from Can. So it's got a possibility of having up to 600 ampere hours in this vehicle. That is the amount of space that it's available for the energy needs that it has. It comes in this case, we've got a Dometic, I think it is a Dometic aircon unit. Storage all the way down. So okay, this is quite standard stuff. And we've got over here, this isn't standard stuff, wardrobe there with storage there. We've got a second wardrobe, looks exactly the same. And of course there is a fridge. One of these ones, it opens both ways. Here, Dometic fridge. Now, it does also, of course, come in the 6-meter version. Well, maybe not, of course, but in the 6-meter version, what they've done is it's 40 centimeters shorter, a bit more, almost 37 centimeters shorter. So they get rid of one of these and push everything forward. Okay, I'll just show you down here as well. So plenty of storage. Look as well, it's very nicely made. And in Austria. Okay, we've got the bed here. So the bed works like this. We've got this wonderful looking sofa, and what is the bed? The cushions go up there. You can hear the click. That's magnetism. And so now we've got a sofa bed, comes out. You've got your stuff under it, your bedding can be under it. This is what we always had to do in Poland, actually. We had all these beds because you lived and slept in the same room, and your bedding came from under it. So you get your bedding out, then you have to make your bed. So you do it with this coming out here. And there you go, 190 by 137, 138, something like that. So excellent, you've got this huge bed in a Fiat Ducato with all these other possibilities around as well. And of course we've got storage above the bed if that's needed. We've got the windows, same as with the blackout, the mosquito net, as you'd get in every other vehicle. So we can see it now being put back. So it's morning, you've been to sleep, bed goes back, and the cushions, or the backs or whatever they're called, come back down. Oh, very good. This one here is on a Fiat Ducato automatic, but obviously the vehicle and colours and things, these things are largely made to order so that you'd get what you want. I seem to think that the chairs are made by Agouti, and but anyway, they're supremely comfortable. As you, let's have a look now. Oh, sorry, I missed out the table. The table is here, and so you can sit there. It comes in and out, and so you can use the drive and passenger chairs. We've got, you know, you can eat at the chair down here as well on the sofa, and with thanks to this bar which comes allows the table to come in and out. Also note the lighting. We've got this indirect aeroplane style lighting all the way around. Okay, let's now go to the back and see what's going on there. I need to mention, of course, that there is a mosquito screen in here with a brush ending, as you'd expect from a Fiat Ducato. So, at the back here, we have got there you go, outside shower. So you can get the dog clean, unless the dog uses the inside shower, and you can get yourself clean on the outside shower. And at the other side, we have got, look at that, you've got some storage there, including a Samsung business television. Goes back a very long way, and down here as well. So, there's plenty of storage space in there, in the side. That is really unusual. What, if this were mine, what I would do is I'd get some plastic boxes that fit in there, and you keep some stuff in one plastic box and other stuff similarly in a different plastic box to keep things neat in that manner. Looking back here, what you can see, we've got the pump for the water. I've got the water dump and things of that nature. So I would get with a reversing camera option available, and also we've got in the roof the roof lights. Anyway, did I forget anything when I was doing this?
No, you did a good job.
Thank you. And hey, we'll have a walk down here as well. So I'd like to have a look around what else there is. So the colour scheme is very, what's the word? Stands out. Oh, notice the way this as well. The glass. No, it's really, that is really nice. It's a bit like Morello do it in that way as well. Super. And right, let's see if I can get through here. There you go. Joyrider.travel. Joyrider. There will be, well, there's the link in any case. You can see the name of the company. Thanks so much for watching. The price, of course, depends on the options which are chosen. So the price could be completely different, but that is the same with every vehicle. That is, I would have to say, that is the most original Fiat Ducato campervan conversion that I have seen, I think. But let's say I've seen recently anyway. So, anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. And all the best from me in Germany. I upload every day at 21:15. So if you're interested in this type of thing, then you might want to subscribe. And if you're not, then you won't. Bye for now.